Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make group chat in Microsoft Teams. Here's how to make a group chat in Microsoft Teams on your mobile phone. First, open the Microsoft Teams app. Tap the Teams icon on your mobile phone. Then sign in if required. Go to the Chat tab. Tap the chat at the bottom left of the screen. Tap the new chat icon. It looks like a pencil and paper in the top or bottom right corner. Add participants. A field will appear for adding people to the chat. Type the first participant's name or email. Teams will suggest matches from your contacts or organization. Select the person from the list. Tap their name to add them to the chat. Repeat for more participants. Add at least two or more people to make it a group chat. Tap Next. This opens the group name option. Start typing your first message. Tap the message box at the bottom. Enter a group chat name. Then tap on the name on the top. Then tap the name group chat. Type a descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Tap the check mark or OK. This confirms your participant list and group name. Send your new message. Tap the send icon. Paper airplane to start the conversation. Continue chatting with the group. Everyone in the group can now send and read messages in real time. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.